this, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In case if you're new here, I'm Zella Kashi. You're welcome to SASSY SQUAD. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something. Well, I got yesterday from my local market. It's not much, just a few items like that, but I want to share with you guys so that you guys will see what I got. So before we start, if your subscribe button down there is still red, help me smash it for me and turn on post notifications so you won't miss out any information on this channel, and also you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into our today's gist.
Yeah.
So guys, the first thing that I have to show you guys is this products, ORS hair mayonnaise. So I'm actually using this product. It's not a new thing to me at all. It's not a new thing to me. It's my baby. I love using this product for my protein treatments. So it contains naturally and also extracts. It also contains egg protein. Okay, so I'm using it for my hair. I love it. I use it like this if I want to do protein treatments. I use it like this, but sometimes I do add it to my deep conditioner, to my hair to get that protein. My hair is high velocity, so it needs much protein as possible to stay alive. So, and I'm making sure that I'm feeding it with that protein. You see? So I got this. Let me open it for you guys to see. I don't really like the smell, as in it's not that nice. It's not that nice, and it also contains some herbs. I don't want to touch it. It also contains some herbs. You can see the consistency. So I'm using it. I don't mind the smell as far as it was for my hair. I'm using it since I will still use it out of my hair. So the next thing that I have here is my deep conditioner. Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. You can see the size, and it's very cheap. It's not costly, just 17 AED. It's not costly. I haven't tried this product before. I haven't. Just a friend of mine that recommended this product for me, so I said to give it a try. So it's not costly. Let me open it. Oh, so creamy, as in it has a creamy smell. My God, the fragrance is so tantalizing. I love it. Oh God, I'll give it a try. Maybe I'll give you guys a product review of this product. So the next thing that I have here is my Olive Miracle Baby Conditioner. I've been using African Pride before, yeah. I'm using it before, but I haven't tried this one yet. So let me tell you guys why I got this. It says daily treatment, and me, I love the word treatment because my hair needs it. Oh, girl, my hair needs this treatment because my hair is high velocity. It needs total attention. It needs treatment. That's why I got this. And it also says hair strengthener. Who don't need it? I need it, my girl. So the product says no sulfates, no mineral oil, no paraben, no gluten. Yeah. So I want to give it a try. Let me tell you guys about the smell. I don't know what I'll use for this. The smell is not harsh, it's not bad, but it's not that great. I actually don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. I don't like it. But it's normal, as in, it's normal. I can go with it. So the next is this baby Skin Doctor. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe if my camera is focusing. But I got this. I haven't tried this product before. But let me tell you guys why I tap into this product. Okay. says skin doctor detoxifying clear mask with formula contains volcano mud. The unique grey volcano mud mixture was to treat rashes, spots, damaged skin, wrinkles, acne, stretch marks, and it is excellent in exfoliation of dead skin cells, especially on oily skin. My dear, we don't need all this treatment. We don't need all this treatment. So I left in. And it's not costly, it's very very cheap, just 10 dirham. 10 AED. It's not costly. It's made in Italy. Products, expensive, the size 550 gram, yeah. Very very much. So I want to give it a try. Let me open it first because I haven't opened it. Let me open it with you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Whoa. See, it's very very much. I don't know if you guys can see this. The smell is quite nice. It's not that harsh. It's not that harsh. So it's okay. It's okay. So I'll be trying it on my face because I love pampering my face. I love it. I don't want pimples. I don't want acne. Really, I don't want. So anything skin treatment, I love it for my face. So I'll be giving it a try. So you guys, okay, I got nails. Don't know if it's focusing. I got these nails, and it's not even costing, just 3 AED. So I like using my own nails. So this, and I also got scalp massage. Actually, this is not the one that I wanted to buy. I've always wanted to buy scalp massage, but anything that I go to all this market, I never see the one I want to buy. But I got this one to start with. I got this one, and it's not priced like I got it about this 2 dirham, so it's not costly. It's not costly. So let me ask. It's not hard. I love it. It's not hard. Yeah, it's not hard. It's not hard. It's okay. I'll be using this one until I got, maybe I'll put the picture here. I got this. That's the one I need. Okay, it's not the last thing. I got this amla oil. Amla oil, double amla jasmine. So I got it. I've been hearing so much about amla oil, but I haven't tried it. So I seized this opportunity to get this product. Let me give it a try to see all these testimonies about amla oil. I want to see. I like testing some things, some new things. I like giving them a try to see if it will work for me. So let me see how it smells. I don't really like the cover. I don't like the cover. I didn't even have something like opening. I like the cover. It smells as if it has tea tree essential oil. But it's not bad. It's not bad. So I'll be giving it a try. So let's get to the last thing that I got. Last thing that I got. I got Fit Fine. Is it Fit Fine? This side, you use this one and fire your feet. You see, it's quite rough. Then this side is a buffer that you use to smooth it. So I got it's not costly, just 780. It's not costly. So that's all I got. I want to show you guys what I got. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have tried anything that I've mentioned here, let me know in the comment section your review on it, because I haven't used most of them apart from this one and and nails is a different something. Apart from this one, I haven't tried other things. So if you have used them before, give me your thoughts about them in the comment section. Let me know how it was, if it worked for you or not. So leave it in the comment section where I will be there reading them all, grabbing all your comments. Okay. So please, if you haven't, I'll still be saying this. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider to subscribe. Okay, and also if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, just like this, a thumbs up. Okay, like, comment, and share this video to your friends, your family. Okay, and also if you know any other thing I would like me to share with you guys on this video, leave it in the comment section below. It's in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to be productive, stay sassy, and be peaceful. Love you guys.